Good morning, student. I, Kailash Sonath from Adarsh Vidya Mandir, Shankar Vidyapeth, Mount Abu, welcome all of you in my maths class. Today we are starting a new chapter, integration. What is the integration? Integration, it means the partly functions we will be added. Okay, the function it will be divided in the partly. Through the integration we can be added all the functions. Okay. Suppose here are some important formula related to integrations. First of all, the basic formula is that's the symbols of integration, and this is the fx function, and that's the operator. Dx is the operator. Okay. Now, if we get the integration of f dash x, then we also get plus c. If what is the c? C is a constant value which will be remaining due through the addition. Okay, student. Now our first formula is x to the power n dx. Okay, then x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Now our second formula, suppose we want to integrate x squared with respect to dx, then we get x cube upon 3 plus c. Okay, now in the similar terms, if we want to integrate of root x with respect to x, then we get 2 by 3 and x to the power 3 by 2 plus, okay, and 1 upon x dx. Clearly, 1 upon x dx. Through the formula we can't integrate the function, so it's the function of integrate is log x plus c, and log x as the natural x, so we can write as ln, natural log ln x. Okay, now e to the power x dx equal to e to the power x plus c. Now a to the power x dx, integration of a to the power x with respect to dx, now we get a to the power x upon log a. In the differentiation we get a to the power x dot log ea, but in the integration we get a to the power x upon log a. Okay, now the integration of x cube dx, now we get x to the power 4 upon 4 plus c. Okay, in this series the integration of sin x dx with respect to dx, because here we want to find integrate only with respect to x, so operator is remaining dx. Okay, so it is integrate is minus cos x plus c. Integrate of cos x dx equal to sin x plus c. It's totally opposite of the differentiation. Clearly. Now, what is the sec square x dx equal to 10x plus c? Clearly. Now, same thing, sec x 10x dx equal to sec x plus c. Now, in this series, cosec x cot x dx equal to minus cosec x. Clearly, minus cosec x plus c. Now integrate of cosec square x with respect to dx equal to minus cot x plus c. Now integration of, we want, if suppose the integration of constant value c dx, clearly it's mean c as it is, and integration of dx is equal to only cx, only cx plus c. Clearly, 15 1 upon under root of 1 minus x square and dx equal to sin inverse x plus c. In this series, dx upon 1 plus x square equal to tan inverse x plus c. Dx upon mod of x root of x square minus 1 equal to sec inverse x plus c. Suppose if we want to find integration of tan x, that is log of sec x, its integration through the substitution method. Okay, that's 19. Integration of sec x, only sec x, that is the log of sec x plus tan x plus c. Clear? Last number 20, integration of cosec x, cosec x is equal to log of cosec x minus cot x plus c. Similarly, last one is log. What is the integration of cot x is equal to log of sin x plus c. So students, these are the formula related to integration. Okay, these are the basic formula related to integration. Now we do some important questions on the basic behalf of integration. So there are some important questions related to basic of integration. Clearly, suppose our question is that integration of under root x minus 1 upon under root x whole square and dx. If we want to do this question, then first of all we do simplify and then it is solved. That is the a minus b whole square, that is x plus 1 upon x minus 2 and dx. After the separation, x dx plus integration of 1 upon x dx minus 2 of dx. Clearly, that is the x dx. It means x square by 2 plus 1 upon x. We know that the formula of directly log x minus 2. 2 it's in constant value, so it's only x plus c. The answer is x square by 2 plus log x minus 2x plus c. In this series, our next question is x cube minus x square plus x minus 1 upon x minus 1 with respect to dx. If the function is that with respect to dx, then first of all we factorize the question, because before the integration first of all we factorize the question and then simply form we will solve. Then x square we will take common plus 1 and x minus 1 and also x minus 1 dx. Is that clear? Now x minus 1 is common, the remaining terms is x square plus 1 and divided by x minus 1. Then x minus 3 will cancel out. So remaining terms is x square plus 1. So answer is x cube by 3 plus x plus c. Okay student. So this is our second question related to integration. Now in this series our second question is so student, we want to find the integration of, suppose, a trigonometric function, that is the sec square x divided by cosec square x and dx. Okay, first of all we simplify the question. We know that sec square x is equal to 1 upon cos square x and cosec square x, that is the 1 upon sin square x. If we reciprocal of both the values, that is the sin square x divided by cos square x, that is the sin square x divided by cos square x, and we get that is the tan square x. We know that in the basic formulas we have not the values of tan square x. So first of all, using the trigonometric identity, and then we get sec square x minus 1, because tan square x is equal to sec square x minus 1. Now we know that the integration of sec square x, the sec square x integration of tan x and minus 1, that is the minus x plus c. Okay, so what is the integration of sec square x upon cosec square x? That is a tan x minus x plus c. Okay student, I know you enjoy the classes. Okay, thank you.